In this video, I'll show you how to use chain of thought prompting in ChatGPT to get more reasoned responses for complex tasks. Let's get started. I start by asking ChatGPT to explain what chain of thought prompting is and to demonstrate the quality difference between a standard response and a reasoned one. ChatGPT explains that this method encourages the model to break down problems into logical steps, which reduces errors and provides a more transparent decision-making process. It illustrates this by comparing a generic answer about remote work to a structured analysis that considers productivity, employee retention, and company culture. Next, I provide a personal scenario, asking for advice on whether to leave a corporate job to start a freelance design business. I ask the model to think through the financial risks, market demand, and the necessary skills before reaching a conclusion. After researching the current market outlook, ChatGPT provides a comprehensive breakdown of financial considerations and the competitive landscape for designers. It suggests that success requires a realistic timeline and emphasizes the importance of balancing creative talent with strong business management. Finally, I ask the model to analyze a business idea for an art supply subscription service using a step-by-step thinking process. I want to see a deep dive into the target market, the revenue model, and the biggest risks involved. The analysis covers everything from customer demographics and competition to the practicalities of physical logistics. It concludes that while the idea has good potential, it requires a very focused niche and high retention rates to remain profitable in the long term. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.